Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you the old school cut-in transition. So first of all, you need two clips. The first clip should be before your transition and the second clip should be after your transition. Between your two clips there should be some material which you can use for your transition. For this transition we need still frames, so this is a still frame. And you can turn your video into still frame by pressing right click onto your video. Go to change clip speed. Hit the freeze frame box and press change. And now your video is a still frame. Alright, so now you've got your clip 1, your clip 2 and your still frames. Okay, so make sure to go to the last frame of your first clip. Then cut your clip at this point. Select the right part and press right click. Then again go to change clip speed. Hit the freeze frame box and press change. Now try to hover over the right edge of your clip and try to drag it to the right. Drag your upper still frames to the left. So now they are matching up with the transition point. Alright, so now go to your first frame of your first still frame and go into Fusion. Click once onto the polygon mask or drag it into Fusion. And go into the inspector and click once onto the invert box. Then just try to mask out your subjects. So in my case I want to mask out this guy. And if you want to zoom in, then just press Ctrl and scroll with your mouse wheel. Alright, so now this dude is masked out. Now I slightly increase the soft edge to improve the smoothness. And I hit this invert box again. Okay, so now you can see only this dude. But I also wanted to mask out this girl, which stands right here. So again, I click once onto this polygon symbol. So this polygon mask should be between your first polygon mask and your media in one node. And with this polygon 2 mask selected, again I go into the inspector and I hit the invert box. And now I just mask out this woman. And again, I increase the soft edge and I hit the invert box. So now we've got our two persons staring into each other. And now we just need to go back into the edit page. Then I just press Alt and the left mouse button at the same time and I drag this still frame one layer up. Okay, and now I go with this copy of the still frame into Fusion. And I just delete the masks. Then I go back into the edit page and I drag this one copy 5 frames to the right. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames to the right and I drag it to this point. Alright, so now it looks like this. And now we just need to add some more layers. So I go to my second still frame and now we just have to do the same with the second still frame. So again I go into Fusion. I add a polygon mask into the node field. Then I hit the invert box and try to mask out your next subject. So for example, I want to mask out these flip-flops. And again, I increase the soft edge and I hit the invert box. Alright, then I go into the edit page. I drag the still frame up and I duplicate the still frame by pressing Alt and the left mouse button at the same time and by dragging this clip up. Then again, I go into Fusion and I delete the polygon mask. After that, I go back into the edit page and I go to this still frame. And from here, I go 5 frames to the right by pressing the right arrow button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I drag the masked out flip-flops to this point. And again, I go 5 frames to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I drag this still frame right here. So now it looks like this. And of course you can add as much layers as you want. So here in our example we've got 2 layers. But I think 2 layers are enough for this tutorial. So I drag this clip up right here. So right now I'm on the first frame of my second clip. And I go 1 frame to the right. I cut this clip. Then I go back 1 frame to the left. I press right click onto this left clip. I go to change clip speed. Then I hit the freeze frame box. I click change and I drag this freeze frame some frames to the left. And then I go with this freeze frame selected into Fusion And now again I cut out this dude. And as you can see, we are doing the same over and over again. And now we go back into the edit page. Then I go to my last still frame. I go 5 frames to the right. And I drag this clip right here. And again I go 5 frames to the right. I duplicate this clip by pressing Alt and the left mouse button. And I go into Fusion to delete my polygon mask. And then again I go 5 frames to the right. And I drag my second clip to this point, and the result looks like this. So I hope this video has helped you. If so, then leave a like or sub to my channel. Go check the first link in the description to get some nice video effects from aijuice.com. Or watch one of these 2 videos to learn more about Davinci Resolve music video effects and transitions. Alright, so thanks for your attention, stay creative and bye.